Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from VProp Trader. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Want to withdraw your hard-earned money from VProp Trader without any stress? Before anything else, make sure you've met all the withdrawal eligibility requirements, such as minimum trading days and profit targets. Once these conditions are met, the withdrawal request button will appear in your dashboard, which is a very important step. Next, log into your VProp Trader account and head over to your dashboard. Here, go to left side and click on Funds, then select Withdraw Funds from this menu. From there, select your preferred payment method and choose the amount you want to withdraw, such as a bank transfer or cryptocurrency. After selecting your payment method, carefully review all the details and confirm your withdrawal request. Once submitted, you'll need to wait for approval. After approval, the funds will be processed and sent to your chosen payment method. It's really that simple as long as you follow all the rules and double-check your information. And that's it. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from VProp Trader. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.